Hi, I'm the Barbecue Butcher. Today I'll be going through a basic trim of an Ebony Angus point-end brisket. These briskets are amazing. As you can see, not much fat on them at all, so it's a very basic trim, square it up, and then that's it. So there's two parts to the brisket. You've got the flat here, and you've got the Mohawk or mountain. You can work out why that's called the mountain or the Mohawk. Pretty cool name, I like it. Anyway, so first we're going to start at the flat end. We're just going to square it up, just make it look all square, about that. Remember to save all these bits, you can use them, mince it up, make it into burgers, bits and pieces. And then we're just going to run along here, put your knife on an angle, go straight down, just take a little bit of this excess fat off here. There's not much fat on these ebony point ends, that's what makes them such a brilliant cut. And that's about all on there you need to do. We'll turn that there so you can see. And straight down there. Dig it out a little bit. Don't remember not to go into the meat. Just take that off. Just remember, slide your knife back. Remember, this is just a basic trim. This is not a competition trim. This is just for everybody, a home, at your home trim. Just going to scoop. There's always a little bit of excess fat in here, so we're just going to take that out. Just curve your knife in, around. Remember, always go against you, so not bringing your knife into you, just for safety. Come through here. I like leaving a little bit more in there when I'm using for the egg. Just that side, that's enough. You can do a little bit more, you can go right in. Some people like taking all of this out. I don't, but that's how you do it. Just keep on pulling it with this hand, as you can see. It just trims it all out, keeps it all together, and then this can fold over as a flat. And on the corner, there's always a little bit extra heavy fat there. Take that out, even up the edges there. On this side, again, it's not a very fatty animal, this Ebony Angus. It's great. Some other brands out there are just caked on fat all over it, and you just don't get your bang for your buck. This is really good because you're not losing much product off it. Under here, the decal's already off, trimmed out under there for you before you get it. This bit here, straight over. It's always a bit heavier, bit of fat there. Just take it off. Just remember, pull it. As you can see how I'm doing it. Start it off, pull, and just follow the seam so you don't cut in the meat. Just try not just cut in the meat. There you go. And again. Easy peasy. Then here, you got a little bit here. Trim that out again. This is just another seam. Like in all my other videos, you hear me carry on and go on and on about following the seams. Find the seam. Easy as. That last bit there, and then always have a little bit in here. All briskets, it's a very fatty piece of meat, the brisket, so it pays to trim it up. Some people don't even trim it up, they just put it on their grills, but I do. That's pretty much all I do. A real basic trim, and that's ready to go. Spin it back over. So how you're going to do it, remember, clean all that out, fold it back down. Some people take this all off for competition. Yes, there's a lot more goes into it, but we'll do another video on a competition trim, but this is just a basic everyday at home trim of of a point-end brisket, ebony one, and you can see that was a 7 kilo brisket to start with, big piece of meat, and all up about 600 grams worth of fat and what we've trimmed off it. So that, for that yield, it's great. There's no mucking around, can't go wrong with the ebony. It's a great product. And remember to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll see you at my next video.